Tired of your Square transactions automatically showing up in your Chase bank account and want to regain control of your financial integrations? Let's walk through how to unlink your external Square accounts from Chase Bank in a few simple steps. First, sign in to your Chase Bank account either through the Chase website or the Chase mobile app. Once you're logged in, locate the Profile and Settings menu. This is usually found near your name or account summary. Click on it. Within the Profile and Settings menu, look for an option related to linked accounts, external transfers, or something similar. The exact wording might vary, but it should be related to managing connections to other financial platforms. Click on it. You should now see a list of your linked accounts. Find the Square account you want to disconnect. It might be listed by the name Square or by the specific business name associated with your Square account. Look for an option to disconnect, remove, or unlink next to the Square account you want to remove. Click this option. Chase may ask you to confirm your decision. Follow the on-screen instructions by clicking the Confirm or Unlink button. And that's it. You've successfully unlinked your Square account from Chase Bank transactions, and data will no longer automatically flow between the two platforms, giving you more control over your account management. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on managing your finances. #account management, #Square integration.